Okay guys, welcome to another 10-minute mashup. This game is Trollie Wallie by Interceptor Software. Now Interceptor were one of these companies, they got in right at the very start, especially when the Commodore 64 came out. They were right in there releasing rip-offs of every game known to man. 99% of them were absolutely crap. I mean, I'm talking about seriously top rate crap. Awful. This game though, Trollie Wallie, what I liked about it is the music. It's got excellent music. Now, is that a Jean-Michel Jarre tune? I think it may well be. The game's actually not too bad either, although like a lot of Interceptor games are bloody hard. So let's try and crack on. Now, I have no idea what the aim of the game is, other than you play this rather fiendish looking Pac-Man oblique pumpkin on legs. But it's one of these games that because you're trying to kind of explore the area, even though it's really difficult. Oh, that was close. Yeah, it makes you want to kind of push on, and the music, as I say, is excellent. I love the music, I really do. Scrolling's not too bad either, it has to be said. Some of the sprites leave a bit to be desired. But yeah, it's one of these games, you can always, you know... Now, am I going to die when I hit that thing? Let's try. No. Can I jump over that? No. Ah, bugger off. Ah, that was nowhere near me. That was absolutely nowhere near me. Right, okay. Right, have I already flicked that switch? I don't know whether it re-things itself or not. Right, it looks like... Okay, it tells me they're the last item at the top, so obviously that's where I need to finish. Yeah, the music just gets better and better. I mean, I could actually listen to the music all day and that. I think it's excellent. And again, it was Jean-Michel Jarre. Jean-Michel Jarre, obviously, he was extremely popular when these 16-bit, when these 8-bit machines were coming out. So it was an obvious choice of how am I going to get to that? Yeah, it was obvious choice of music to kind of convert to these systems. I'm going to fall down there. Yeah, it's a shame that the game couldn't match the music. I mean, the game's not bad, but I say the music's excellent. Now, can I go up here, possibly, and avoid Mr. Jumping Chicken? What is that? This is a game I noticed when I was loading it up. You can obviously play at infinite energy, and it's one of these games that probably is going to need infinite energy to actually complete it. Yeah, I mean, I was talking about how Interceptor just love to rip off other companies, and they really did do that. They did it really well. When I say well, I don't mean the games are great, but they managed to rip companies off pretty well and get away with it. This particular game Whoa, no, 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 no. This particular game is actually fairly original. Does music start again? Oh, it doesn't actually, that's pretty good. Whoops. Come on, flick the switch. That's it, good boy. No, that was silly. That was silly. I knew I was going to do that. You twat. See, there you go. Not even content with 2 tunes, you've got a third one. Right, I need to wait for him to go back, I think. I don't think this game was converted to any other machines. No, Interceptor, I think they did make games for the VIC-20 and the Spectrum, but they seem to primarily be a C64 company. Where's that thing going? There it is, yeah. Some of these early games, they probably hadn't been play tested that well. I mean, back then it was probably one person wrote the game and the very same person would do the play testing, and because they were actually writing the damn thing, they probably were better at it than most. Ah, bollocks. Right, I need to time this one, I think. Going to disappear. Arse. But yeah, I could certainly, if it wasn't for the music, I don't think I would be playing, I would have given this game as much time. I just think the music's excellent, it really is. And so I don't really mind having to play it to listen to it. If this had no music, chances are it wouldn't hold my attention span for much more than about 7.5 seconds. And he's going to change direction, isn't he? Come on. It doesn't matter. I'm familiar with that bit of the tune. I think the first slot will definitely show me you are. And the music's very simple. Oh, come on! This is just absolutely fiendishly hard. It really is. I mean, I can't get up there. I can't get up there because I've gone too far. So all I can do is jump like so. And die. Right, it's now restarting. This is definitely one of these games though, you know, the game itself is pretty awful, but the music, it's the music that really brings back a lot of nostalgic sort of memories of my computer in the very, very early days when things were a wee bit different than they are now. I was a little hapless 17-year-old with nothing to worry about. The only worries I had back then would be getting money for my next game or getting enough money to get a C90 so I could record games. Okay, anyway, listen guys, this is enough. That's over 10 minutes now. This is Trollie Wallie on the C64 by Interceptor Software. As usual guys, hope you enjoyed watching it, and as usual, thank you for watching.